In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Wix header. Editing the header of your Wix website is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your site's appearance and functionality. So, let's dive right into it and make your website shine. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your site's dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your control center, where you can manage all aspects of your site. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Design Site section. This is where all the magic happens, where you can tweak and tailor your site to meet your specific needs. After clicking Design Site, you'll find yourself in the Wix website editor. This editor is your creative workspace, a place to modify and refine your website's design. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout, as it provides a multitude of tools and options at your fingertips. Now scroll down to the bottom of any page that contains a header. Typically, the header is a consistent element shared across multiple pages, providing a unifying look and feel to your website. When you hover over the header, you'll notice it becomes highlighted. This indicates that it's ready for editing. Go ahead and click on it to select it. You'll soon notice a Quick Edit option becomes available once the header is selected. Clicking on this option permits you to directly modify text, adjust menus, and manage social icons within the header. It's quite user-friendly and allows changes to be made efficiently. Take your time to explore these elements, adjusting and updating them to best represent your brand or personal style. In addition to quick editing, you may wish to customize the visuals of your header further. To do this, look for the Design icon, represented by a paintbrush. This feature allows you to delve deeper into the aesthetics of your header. You can change the background color, adjust borders, and modify other visual components according to your preference. Don't be afraid to experiment here. You can always preview changes before making them permanent. And speaking of previewing, once you've tailored your header to your liking, it's crucial to preview your changes. This step ensures everything looks just right before going live. When you're satisfied with your edits, the final step is to publish your changes. This makes your adjustments visible to everyone visiting your site. Editing your Wix header can be a rewarding experience, adding a personal touch and enhancing user engagement. Remember, your website is an extension of you or your brand, so take advantage of these tools to create something truly unique. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you now have the ability to transform your website's header into something truly captivating.